Atuna no chungwa ni. Basati yake pesa. Makadanja ogiri trena kaniko certificate ogi nganga. Tabiro magichupa.
Certificate okunya bet maonge. Telo ni nyose kao certificate okunya bet maonge azimiwa ni gima duong.
Kiambu County. Kita mane di chungni sebo wini to.
Anu se mi aluoro kore.
Ansani ade donjo kanyo anasu wuotho Uganda. Uganda nya wuotho man komne kaka nywe. Kono nyakimanye gweno maping. Nyayudo gweno maping.
Gweno maping anyalo yudo. Tanu nena nade gi Kisumu County Women Rep.
Ayudo maber. Na toki. Gede maber. Akene gi wa.
Agent nane no katiyo.
Tantu nena nade Homa Bay County Governor.
Tema.
Kisani ni kule.
Ato kanegi motemo ne kadhi nikajana no kosekawe. Osekawe.
Atu nena nade ka chung MCA ma Game West Ward. Unena nade aromo kosoka.
Ato be gik mabuong muwacho kamano kia pesa kawegi. Ok yoko bi.
Are you not seeing us here? Good morning.
Yes.
Morning.
How are you doing?
Doing good.
Do I look familiar to you?
Yes.
Yes. What do you mean?
I can see
See us. Also in TV.
Okay, my name is MC Fidel, comedian. So we are just here. We are sent by the IBC chairman, Wafula Chebukati, just to interview you of the seats that you want to vie for. Can you tell them your name?
My name is Jenta. We are here to interview to see how many wants to vie and what position. Yeah.
Do you agree with us?
Yes.
You, madam. You, where?
Oh.
I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
How are you?
Fine.
What is your name?
My name is Mama Jacky. All the way from Migori. Then Women Rep. Fine.
Okay.
Yes.
Have you registered?
I've registered so long.
So long. Under which party?
ODM.
ODM.
Yes.
So do you see any way of you winning this election?
Very soon, so many people tell me that I'm good in ground, and so many people are worshipping me when passing.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's how you know it. So I have some question here for you.
Yeah.
You, Mama Jacky, you want to vie for Women Rep Migori County under ODM? Party.
Yes.
Okay. What have you done, or what are the things that you've done that everybody can see this Mama Jacky is able to stand for Women Rep?
First of all, I'm a married woman with 7 children. Yes. And these 7 children, me working hard in my garden, going every morning. And my first how do you call your partner? Your first wife is me. The second is husband. Yes. My husband has recently go, and then me alone.
What do you mean go? Where?
Go ground, then up heaven. So I'm alone. So many people telling me that I'm good in this thing. So I'm going to try to work for them in my home. Cooking for this porridge. People drinking.
And what is your vision? What is your vision for?
I want so many people when I pass. Women should
stop.
know.
What is your vision?
Oh, vision. Can you vision?
Where?
Oh, sound. Vision. Yes, it's vision. Yes, vision. Yes.
Am I talking to you? What is your vision? Mama, I will just march you out of this ceremony.
Vision. I'm talking about vision.
Yes.
Vision. I want to be a woman.
Okay. Vision means what do you put for the people in front when you take this seat?
In front, I'll put fence in every houses.
What?
I'll put fence in every houses and every fence.
Okay. Thank you very much. So I can see you.
Yes.
We'll come back to you. Let us see if you can give you the certificate or not, because your eyes tell us that you are
There's nothing you can confuse me with certificate, but so many people want me.
You are corrupt.
So
you think I'm not seeing it from your eyes?
People should want me first, not you as certificate. I can just go with them and chupa.
Okay, no problem. Madam, can you take us to the next introduction?
Oh, madam, how are you? So, why are you here?
I'm here applying for a women rep in Kisumu County.
In Kisumu County? Which party?
ODM party.
ODM?
Yeah.
Why do you want to vie for the party?
Because I've been doing good to them. God has been helping me. I have a plans for the Kisumu County.
What plans?
I will help in reducing the food price, helping them to get some jobs. Our youth has no job, so I'm willing to help them.
Oh, that
if
is
they
nice.
vote for me.
Oh, that is nice. All the best.
Thank you.
Okay. This is Madam Nancy.
Yes.
You want what? Women rep. Kisumu.
County.
Okay, no problem. We are going to the next.
Thank you.
Madam Odosity. This is Madam Odosity I'm hearing about. You want to be what?
I want to be women rep.
This women rep is so many. Okay. So, women rep under which party?
Obvious, automatically, and although it is ODM, Azimio la Umoja.
Okay. In which county do you want to get this? You want to stand for women rep?
Which county?
Yes.
County, Kenya, in which county?
Where? Kenya is a county.
In which county?
County.
In which country I want to be women rep of
Where?
Gladys Wang. It is Oma Bay. Oma Bay.
Are you serious?
Yes, please, sir.
County of Siaya. She's of Siaya.
She's of Oma Bay.
Oma Bay.
Oma Bay.
County.
So, are
My
you in partner?
competing was
Not
Gladys.
part of friends.
What are the changes that you want to make? Maji Pokotem.
Changes. I will build toilets for the little kids so they can go direct without dumping inside the toilet.
Be serious.
But I'm just, you ask me what I want to do. Why are you people talking and Mheshimiwa is the one to talk. Give me time to talk. And I was saying, if children are also going to schooling, I will be giving them 5 bob each child to go to school and drinking uji.
That's good.
Oh, Madam Odosity, as I can look beyond the recognition of the people, you are disqualified. Next, Asamwala.
Yes.
2.
Yes.
Gubernatorial Oma Bay. What is this? You want to be governor?
Governor Oma Bay County.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. I'm standing here, I'm saying I'm serious. Governor Oma Bay County. So many people playing with governor. Yeah. Playing.
You want to go there to eat money for the people. Is it true?
Not eating. I'm not the food. I'm not the food eating man. Yeah.
Do you have any plan for the Oma Bay people?
Yes, I have.
Which plans?
If I carry the president,
The governor.
yeah. If the the governor, I will make sure the cars of the phones is driving.
So you mean the car is driving by the people and the phone is driving?
Every person will have that phone.
I see you are almost disqualified. Can you sit down?
Super.
Where is this super?
Super.
Hello. How are you? You see, you are smiling before the questions. What do you plead to us?
Senators, yeah.
I'm not getting you well. Are you Mimi?
Super. Senators, yeah.
Do you have any hopes of being a senator?
Senator, taka niletee watu maendeleo huko. Kama maji kitu.
Do you have any change for us? Because I see
Taka tusimame na ODM.
ODM. It seems you left in class 3. Is it true? Because I can see my Do you think the person who is there, you will dismantle him?
Hapana. Mimi napita hapo. Napita sasa. Mimi nachukua hiyo.
You are disqualified. You can go home.
Yes, Odio, how are you?
I'm fine, madam.
Which country are you from?
Mozambique, Kenya.
You are from Mozambique?
Oh, Homa Bay County.
Which country are you from?
Kenya.
From Kenya?
Yes.
Then which county are you from?
Is you Homa Bay?
Homa Bay?
Yes.
So what are you buying in Homa Bay?
Wardrobe.
Wardrobe?
Yes.
Okay, why do you buy for the wardrobe?
Madam, you know that we need because what? Women have been sleeping farmer in a sleeper. So they have been saying, Udim, can you come stand so that a woman gets something to eat? Then I said, because I know I can do better, then I said, can you elect me? Because they have been sleeping farmer in for long until they are frogs. You see? They are Ogwala. Do you know Ogwala? They are Ogwala. You cannot differentiate whether a woman is calm or go. You see? That is why I'm standing for wardrobe. Because those who are escorting women, when a woman husband is dead, the person he gets is not taking good care of that woman. You mean if your husband is dead, somebody is coming to sleep in your house, in Kijaluo, we say Jatero. Jatero is not taking care of that woman. So I will be giving woman food every morning.
So, Odiwo,
yes,
I can see you are a very intelligent person. But the things that you are planning for the people are not that something good. Because I can see from your eyes, you might slip into every human's house. Because Governor Kiambu, Jacky. What is this? Jacky?
Yes.
Is this the name that you registered for?
Yeah, that's my name.
Huh?
Yeah. Yes.
So, you want to be, you are vying for the gubernatorial seat in Kiambu?
Not gubernatorial.
Yeah.
It's governor.
So you know more than me?
I don't.
Kijana, talk. You know more than me.
It is difficult.
Difficult.
So how will you address the people?
Okay,
that...
so me, I look for governor to help some bibi wanawake. Then, if you come there in my feast, I give you 200 shilling.
I can see Jacky,
Mama Jacky.
Are this thing? Do you have any plans with this government?
So this was a long time. Yeah, he go and divorce his own.
He go.
Yeah.
Who is that?
Mama Jacky.
Mama Jacky, he go.
He go and divorce.
No, Mama Ten.
Where do Mama Jacky? You are the Mama Jacky?
You know.
Okay, Mama Jacky, stand up. Do you know this person? Stand up. Can you look here?
We divorced. We cannot speak Guinean.
Why did you divorce? Under what purpose?
My husband went and go.
Yeah.
Then
I didn't do it.
I go the guy for him to sleep in my house. At the meantime, he sold my cows and so many things of Sufrias. So it is very painful.
Mama Jacky, Jacky, don't
joke. Don't joke. She get another one. So I don't like such things coming for my head now.
Because I can see
Mama Jacky is confusing the crowd.
I see you are.
I can chase Mama Jacky here in this
Try.
Mama Jacky, don't talk to me allowed the way you allowed.
Try, I'm here.
No. If we come to governor, is governor. If we come to divorce, is divorce.
Yeah. What is going on here?
Okay, this madam, I do what? I confused him and go.
Kukataza nini mnafanya na yeye?
You see,
Wewe unafanya nini na bwana za wenyewe?
Can you give me time, prosecutor?
Yes.
Yeah.
Talk.
My time is very short.
Yes.
My time is very short.
Yes.
Can I say something?
Say something.
And so I say two.
Yeah.
They can be three.
Yeah.
No, two.
Talk.
So let me talk one.
Don't confuse us.
Talking one,
Yes.
I divorced him. That is the first thing. Because of the woman, she got nearer.
So why are you
So
talking
at
to
this
him
time,
now?
I've got my babe.
Where's your babe?
Where's
I've
your
got
babe?
my babe.
I will take your babe and you remain
Okay?
with
Can
me.
you-
I've got my babe.
Where's babe? Stand up,
Where's
babe.
your babe? When?
Can you come on the front? Even my aunt.
So you guys are
As from now.
corrupting
You see,
people.
I have got my babe. Don't touch me.
Oh, yeah, wait.
Of the world.
Wait.
Don't touch
Do
me.
you think this
Who is
meeting?
babe?
This is babe. Wait.
This is your babe. I'll go with your babe. I'll go with
Why
your babe.
embarrassing me in front of these people, all people here?
Yes.
No, you are joking. And
Why embarrassing your auntie?
So many people
Talk.
want me. So let me
You
just
are a
leave
bad
this seat.
woman.
No,
You
wait.
are a bad woman.
no, go
Wait,
come
which
and
this
You are a bad
This is my
woman.
aunt.
This is your hand.
Yes, this
Oh,
is
what are you doing with my husband?
This in my house.
And this
Sleeping
one?
So can we
And
exchange?
This
Can
one?
we exchange husbands?
This one burned off this thing.
So you mean
Can
you
we
can't?
exchange husbands?
There's nothing
Can
you
we?
can do.
Can we?
Let me just leave
Can
this thing.
So
Let
we-
me just leave the thing. Watch it.
Can I take your husband and go with him? Can I go with him? Can I go with him?
Okay, this Buddha is over.
Mheshimiwa.
This Buddha is over.
Let me
This
say
Come away.
Let me say something as a
Ngoja.
Wait, you
Ngoja.
just
This
go
Buddha is
away.
over.
Ngoja.
Mimi Jacky was telling me
Yes.
he got married to this short nigga. So Mimi nilikubali. I agreed for them to get married. So me, I don't know this one. This one I don't
Did
know.
you know that he was with my husband?
I didn't know that one.
Ask him.
Complete Jacky as your auntie.
Yes.
Who was this one?
Cheat me. And
Cheat you
come.
where?
You cheat
You are
me. You
with
cheat
my
me.
husband.
You cheat me.
I cheat.
Who are cheating?
Who cheat you?
You cheat.
I did. Don't cheat
And you cheat with my husband.
family.
You cheat. You cheated. You cheated.
Can we do this? Can you do this? Mama Jack, no.
You cheated.
You are not supposed to talk to this. These people are the people that are not corrupt. So between you people,
This Buddha
can
is
we just
over.
go? This
Huyu ndo unaenda na yeye. Huyu ndo unaenda na yeye.
Sorry.
So as we want to conclude this meeting, so I can see Odiwo, and you said your name is Super. I'll just rather give you a certificate for this seat that you're vying for. So can you clap for
And
yourself?
congratulations.